My name is Chef Fran, and today I am so excited. We're doing something from my home state, chopped cheese.
Here are our ingredients.
Here I have my onions. You hear that? I'm putting it on here. Now, onions is very water based. So I love bench scrapers. I used to use them a lot in culinary school when we're cutting dough. But the thing is that people tend to forget how sharp they can be. So, right. Now I'm going to actually put our patty. Our burger patty here. Right, so here I am. It's roasting in here. I say that the onions need a little seasoning too. Give it some love. There we go. So we just kind of let this crust up, get a little color, then we'll flip it over and we'll start chopping it. Setting it cooked down, getting this beautiful color, we're chopping it down. Getting that beautiful caramelization. Now it's time to chop our meat. Okay. Let's chop our meat. That's why they call it chopped cheese. Okay, now my meat is pretty much cooked. So I'm going to start combining my wonderful onions with it. Oh my gosh, what a marriage. What a wonderful marriage. And now mix our onions. So chopping down meat. So usually they form it like this. Not usually, well, that's what they do. They form it into like an oval square type of patty. And they layer it with cheese. I'm gonna put the cheese on right now. Okay. Alright. Just want the cheese to kind of melt, and then when we get our bread ready,
We're toasting a hoagie roll and letting our meat stay warm so we can melt our cheese.
okay, here's my mayo. Okay. Then our ketchup. Of course, they want to misbehave. Why would my ketchup want to behave? Why? Okay. Okay. So I am going to pick up my chopped cheese. Now usually it's picked up with both breads. me see if I can kind of get this with the other ones. I don't think so. Okay. And again, guys, if you want to do this at home, use the spatula.
We are adding our lettuce and tomatoes on a hoagie roll for our chopped cheese.
So here's just a little salt and a little black pepper on my tomatoes. Right, and so our chopped cheese is done. And let's get this on plastic right here. Great old sandwich here. Okay. This must be my top. Sorry, guys. Okay. There we go. Here. Well, guys, chopped cheese is done. Now, this is how you get it when you go to Hajji's. And if you're just doing it at home and you don't want to use the foil or you don't want to use the parchment paper, you just do it like this. So this is our chopped cheese. This is our chopped cheese. As you notice, it was really simple. You could buy some ground beef and form it in a patty form yourself. Or you could just get hamburger patty, you know, your American cheese. Because you gotta use American cheese if you're gonna make an authentic chopped cheese. Want to get some onions, chop up, lettuce, shredded lettuce, or you could take the lettuce yourself, iceberg, and shred it up. Tomatoes, use a seasoning of your choice since we don't know what the original seasoning is. I had just used some seasoning salt. Like I said, some people use black pepper. And ketchup and mayo, which tends to make Thousand Island, right? So you need to have ketchup and mayo. And you need to have a hoagie style bread. And you make yourself some chopped cheese. So let's dig in. I'm going to leave this in its wrapper. I'm going to take a bite of this, the classic. Toasting that bread is everything. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, it allows myself and my team to know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And share this channel with your family and friends because sharing is truly caring. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, where we greet you here with open arms and great big hugs. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, learning how to make chopped cheese from my home state, New York.